class we learned point, line segment. What is the meaning of point? That means single dot. This is called point A. I put the name A. Point A. Point B. Point C. That way. Okay. Next one, line. Line means no end points. No end points. So line has no end points. Both sides are going on. I put name L. Line L. Next one, line segment. Line segment means we have two end points. Line segment has two end points. A, B. Line segment AB has two end points. One is starting point, another one is ending point. Okay. Next one, open curve and closed curve. Open curve means starting point and ending point is different. So here I will start one diagram. I will end here. So starting point and ending points are different. So this is called open curve. Starting point and ending point come to the same means that is closed curve. Okay. Open curve, closed curve. Open curve means starting point and ending points are different. Closed curve means starting point and ending point come to the same. So starting and ending is same point. That is closed curve. Simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means closed curve only but with a cross itself. So this is not simple closed curve because cross. This is simple closed curve. This one not simple closed curve. Okay. So simple closed curve means starting and ending point come to the same point without cross itself. Okay, without cross itself. So this one is not simple closed curve. This one is simple closed curve. Okay. Now circle. Closed curve is called a circle. Simple closed curve means closed curve without cross itself is called simple closed curve. Draw a circle with the help of an instrument known as a compass. So we draw the circle means we are using compass. So this is your compass. One point is needed, another one point is keep your pencil point. Okay, this is your compass. This one ruler. Ruler means scale. Okay, this is your scale. Now keep one point. Keep one point. This point name O. This point name O. So if you want measurement means take your scale. This is your centimeter. Starting point 0 centimeter. Then 1, 2, 3 is going on. Okay. I will take 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter means keep the needle in 0. Okay. Next pencil point keep on 3 centimeter. Now this distance is 3 centimeter. Like here. 0 point. So keep 0 in the needle. Next 3 centimeter means this pencil point keep the 3. So this distance, measure this distance from 3 centimeter. Okay. Now I draw one circle. If you want to take 3 centimeter or 5 centimeter or no need. Without the centimeter also you take any compass, you have to open it, draw the circle. Now keep the needle on in the point. Okay, this needle keep on the point and keep here. Now draw one circle. So circle completed. This is center point O. This is center point O. This is circle. So we want to draw the circle means use compass. Use compass. So center. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. So in this circle I put point O. O is the center of the circle. Next one, diameter. A line through the center O meeting the circle at 2 points is called the diameter thinking. Diameter means take any 2 points and put 1 point here. Any 2 points passing through O. Passing through O. So that means center means that is called diameter. So here draw one line. So this is A, B. AB is called diameter. Diameter means take any 2 points on the circle passing through center. Passing through center. But we take any 2 points here. So this is not diameter. Diameter means take any 2 points. Very important word, passing through center. That is called diameter. Okay. So passing through center. Passing through center 2 points. This is called diameter. Next one, radius. A straight line joining the center O to any point on the circle is known as the radius. So a straight line joining the center O at any point on the circle. Like 1 point here. Any point on the circle. 1 point. And the point is C. The point is C. So center point and any point on the circle, we join these two is called radius. So we use the ruler, we join them. Now which one is the radius? OC radius. OC radius. So like OB is also called radius only. Center point and any 1 point on the circle. We join these two. OB is also radius. OA, OC. Okay. So radius is similar. Plural form radii. Okay. So radius means a straight line join the center O to any point on the circle. Center and any point on the circle. So one time we call one. Circle means a simple closed curve is called a circle. Draw a circle with the help of an instrument known as compass. Center O is the center of the circle. Diameter, a line through the center O meeting the circle at 2 points is called the diameter. That means passing through center. Take any 2 points to draw the line segment passing through the center is called diameter. Radius means you take any 1 point on the circle, join with the center. That is called radius. Okay. So here AB diameter, OC radius. So this one copy in your classwork note. Circle, center, diameter, radius, and draw this circle also. Okay. So copy in your classwork note. Next concept, chord. So what is the meaning of chord? A straight line joining any 2 points on the circle is known as a chord. A straight line joining any 2 points. Any 2 points on the circle is known as chord. Any 2 points. Here 1 point. Here 1 point. This point is D. So I will say P. Here 1 point Q. Join this PQ. Join this PQ. Use ruler. You join this PQ. Ruler means scale. Ruler means scale. So you take any 2 points on the circle. You joining these 2 points, this line is called chord. PQ chord. A straight line joining any 2 points on the circle is known as a chord. Next point, the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So look at here. Here which is the diameter? This is the diameter AB. AB is the longest chord of the circle. Here, what is the meaning of the diameter? Diameter means take any 2 points on the circle passing through center. Passing through center. Chord means take any 2 points on the circle to join that 2 points is called chord. Okay. So A diameter is the longest chord. So this is your chord. Okay. But this is not called diameter. This is not called diameter. Diameter means passing through the center. Chord means no need for passing through the center. You have to join any 2 points on the circle. Okay. So next one, circumference. The circumference is the boundary of the circle. Boundary. This is the boundary. What is the names? A, C, B, Q, P, A. This is called boundary. This is the circumference. Okay. Next one, formula. Suppose find the diameter. Radius given. Find the diameter means what is the formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Here given diameter, find radius means radius is equal to diameter by 2. So these 2 formulas are very important. Look at here, diameter equal to 2 into radius. So you find radius means diameter by 2 or short way R equal to D by 2. R means radius, D means diameter. So R equal to D by 2. Or D equal to 2 into R. So here given radius, find diameter means use this formula. Find radius means use this formula. Okay. So very important these 2 formulas. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. So copy in your class note these 2 definitions and note and this diagram also. Okay. So in this diagram note you will write which is the center here? O. O. Center. O. Center. Radius? OC. OC. Radius. AB. Diameter. AB. Diameter. PQ. Chord. PQ chord. Okay. So copy in your class document. This diagram use pencil. This also use pencil. Next one, example. Draw a circle of any radius. In it, draw center, radius, diameter, chord. So draw a circle of any radius. So without measurement. Okay. So I will put 1 point here. Take the compass. This is needle point. This is pencil point. So if you want measurement means take the ruler. Take for example 5 centimeter means the needle point up to 0. This pencil point keep 5. Okay. So keep like this. Needle point 0. Then pencil point keep 5. So here 5 means 0 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. So 0, 5 means this is the distance. Okay. So I will take 5 centimeter or 10 centimeter river brush. So I will take 10 centimeter. So keep the needle on the point. I will draw one circle. center point O. This is center point O. So O center. Okay. Next one, radius. So what is the meaning of radius? Take any one point on the circle and join with the center. So join OA. Use the scale. Join OA. So OA is the radius. OA radius. Next one, diameter. What is the meaning of diameter? Take any 2 points on the circle, passing through center. Passing through center. 722 points. Here one point B. Here one point C. So now join B and C. So BC is called diameter. BC diameter. Okay, next one, chord. What is the meaning of chord? Take any 2 points on the circle, join the 2 points is called chord. I take any 2 points here. X, another 1 point, Y. Join this X, Y. So XY is called chord. Okay. So center O, radius OA, OB also radius only. Diameter means BC, chord XY. Radius means take any one point on the circle, join with the center. Diameter means take any 2 points on the circle, passing through center. Chord means take any 2 points on the circle, we join these 2 points is called chord. Okay. So this one copy in your classroom note. Use pencil, you draw this one. Okay. So suppose radius take 5 cm means you measure this OA, we get 5 cm. Like OB also 5 cm, OC also 5 cm. Okay. So copy in your classroom note. Use pencil, draw this one. So exercise 12.2. First question. Find the radius when the diameter is. So you find the radius here given diameter. So what is the radius formula? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. So here given diameter, find radius. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. So what is the diameter value? 32 centimeter. So 32 centimeter by 2. Now divide. So 32 is divided. Divisor is 2. 32. 2. So divisor is 1 digit number. So we also take 1 digit 3. So now do divide by 3 divided by 2. Say 2 table how many times? 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 is greater number. So we take equal or small number only. So how many times? 1 times. 1 2s are 2. Now minus 3 minus 2 we get answer 1. Next you bring down 2. Now this number 12. So how many times in the table? 6 2s are 12. 6 times. 6 2s are 12. Now minus. You get answer 0. So your answer is 16. 16 centimeter. Because here given it is centimeter. So you also write centimeter. So radius is equal to 60 centimeter. Radius is equal to 60 centimeter. So here given diameter 32 centimeter. find the radius 16 centimeter. Next, radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. So what is the diameter? 48 centimeter by 2. 48 centimeter by 2. Now divide. Divided inside, divide the outside. 2. Now 2 table. We take 1 digit. How many times? 2 2s are 4. 2 times 4. Now do minus. We get answer 0. Next you bring down 8. How many times? 4 2s are 8. 4 times. Now minus, we get answer 0. So your radius is 24 centimeter. So here given in centimeter. So radius also centimeter. Radius is equal to 24 centimeter. Next is the question 56 centimeter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. So diameter 56 centimeter by 2. Now division. 56. So divisor is 1 digit number. So you also take 1 digit in the divider. Now 5. How many times? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 is greater number. So we take only small or equal only. So 2 2s are 4, 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Now minus. 5 minus 4 we get answer 1. Next you bring down 6. Now this number is 16. So how many times in the 2 table? 8 times. 8 2s are 16. Now minus we get answer 0. Now 28 centimeter. Radius is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, now C complete. Next one, D question. So radius is equal to what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. So here given diameter 28 centimeter by 2. Now do the division. So 28 is divided. Divisor is 2. 1 2s are 2. Minus means we get answer 0. Next you bring down 8. 4 2s are 8. We get answer 0. So your answer is 14 centimeter. So radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So D1 completed. Next E question. So we are given millimeter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. So what is the diameter here? 92 millimeter by 2. Now do the division. 92 2. How many times? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 10 is greater number. So we take small or equal. 4 2s are 8. 4 times. Now do the minus. 9 minus 8 we get answer 1. Next you bring down 2. Now this number is 12. How many times? 6 2s are 12. Minus means we get answer 0. So your radius is 46. Here given millimeter. So your answer also write millimeter. Radius is equal to 46 millimeter. So exercise 12.2 first sections completed. So here find the diameter. Sorry, find the radius when the diameter is given. So diameter given, we find the radius means what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. This is very important formula. Radius equal to diameter by 2. So diameter is 32 centimeter. So radius is equal to 32 centimeter by 2. Now division. So as division, first we take single digit number. This is not divisible. So 1 take 1 to circle, then minus we get answer 1. Next you bring down to 6 to circle, minus means we get answer. Sorry, minus we get answer 0. So your quotient is radius. 16 is radius. So here given you need centimeter. So you also write centimeter. Suppose here given millimeter means your answer is millimeter. Meter given means your answer is meter. So this one copy in your class note. This division is very important now. Use pencil, write in rough colors. Okay, write neatly. So exercise 12.2, second question. Find the diameter when the radius is given. So here given radius, you find the diameter. So what is the formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. That means multiplied by 2. So equal to 2 into, what is the radius here? 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter. Now do the multiplication. 15 multiplied by 2. So first multiply by the ones place. So 2 5s are 10. 10 means right 0. Remaining 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 15 2s are 30. So your answer 30 centimeter. So here given in centimeter. So you also write the answer centimeter. So here given radius, find the diameter. So what is the formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into radius 15 centimeter. 2 into 15 centimeter. 2 15s are 30. So 30 centimeter. Diameter equal to 30 centimeter. Next B question. 21 centimeter. What is the formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. So equal to 2 into radius is 21 centimeter. So multiplication. 21 multiplied by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So your answer is 42. 42 centimeter. So diameter equal to 42 centimeter. Next here given centimeter. So you also write the answer centimeter. Next is C question 28 centimeter. So find the diameter. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. So 2 into what is the radius? 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Now multiplication. 28 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16. So write 6. Remain 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 56. Your answer is 56 centimeter. So diameter equal to 56 centimeter. Okay, next question. 1 meter. Here given 1 meter. So what is your diameter formula? Diameter equal to 2 into H1 radius 1 meter. So 2 into 1 meter. 2 ones are 2. So your answer is 2 meter. Diameter equal to 2 meter. Next is G question. 50 millimeter. So diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. So here given radius is 50 millimeter. So 2 into 50 millimeter. Now multiply. 50 multiplied by 2. 0 to the 0. 0 to the 0. Next to 5 to the 10. So your answer is 100 millimeter. So diameter equal to 100 millimeter. Okay. So this is exercise 12.2 second section. Copy in your classwork note. This multiplication also write in rough column side. Okay. Write neatly. So third one, fill in the blanks. A question, every point on the circle is at a dash distance from the center. So here one circle, this is center point, this is center point. First question, every point on the circle is at an dash distance from the center. Every point on the circle. So every point on the circle is at a dash distance from the center point. So here distance from the center point. So this all the one equal distance. Equal distance. This is 5 centimeter. For example, this one 5 centimeter means this is also 5 centimeter. This one also 5 centimeter. So every point on the circle is at an equal distance from the center. Equal distance. Equal. So that is called radius. For example, 3 points A, B, C. OA, OB, OC. These 3 radius are equal distance. So OA is a one radius. So these 3 radii get equal distance. So equal. B question. A diameter divides a circle into 2 dash parts. Diameter. So I will draw one diameter here. D, E. D is called diameter. So look at this circle. This diameter divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. So a diameter divides a circle into 2 equal parts. So one circle, draw diameter. This one divided into 2 equal parts. See question. A straight line joining 2 points on the circle is known as. A straight line joining 2 points on the circle. For example, here. F, G. The point F and G. This is called chord. A straight line joining 2 points on the circle is known as chord. So your answer is chord. Okay. Next one. The longest chord. This is also called chord. This one also chord and diameter. So the longest chord is here diameter. The longest chord is here diameter. Next one, radius is equal to dash diameter. Radius is equal to dash diameter. Radius is equal to half of the diameter. So what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. That means half of the diameter. Half of a chord is a line joining the center to any point on the circle. What is the meaning of chord definition? Line joining the center to any point on the circle? No. What is the meaning of chord? A straight line joining two points on the circle, not passing through the center. So here given joining the center to any point. Chord is a line joining the center to any point on the circle. Center to any point on the circle means that is radius. That is not the chord. Chord means a straight line joining two points on the circle. It is known as chord. So the geometry is false. Next, B question. If the diameter equal to 4 centimeter. So diameter is given 4 centimeter. Then radius. So what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. That means 4 divided by 2 means we get answer 2 centimeter. But here given 8 centimeter. So this is wrong. So false. We know very well radius formula. Radius is equal to, radius means R is equal to D by 2. So we have given diameter 4 centimeter. So 4 by 2 means we get answer 2 centimeter only. But here given 8 centimeter. Here given 8 centimeter. So this condition is false. C question. The diameter is twice the radius. Diameter D is the diameter. That is twice the radius. So diameter equal to, what is the formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. That means 2 times multiplied by 2. That is twice the radius. Diameter equal to twice the radius. So diameter is the twice the radius. This condition is true. Next one. A circle has infinite number of diameters. Draw a circle here. Okay. This is center point. This is center point. We draw the diameter. How many diameters here? Sorry. So this is uncountable. Uncountable means, so that means infinite. Infinite means uncountable, going on. So a circle has infinite number of diameters. That is true. Infinite means uncountable. So 1, 2, 3 means we have to count. This one is uncountable. So next one, the size of a circle depends on its radius. Yes, that is condition is true. For radius 3 centimeter, for example, radius 3 centimeter means we draw like this. Suppose radius 5 centimeter, the circle comes a little bit big. Radius 10 centimeter means we draw the big circle. So the size of a circle depends on its radius. That is true. Okay. So third Roman, fourth Roman, copying your book pencil. Okay, use pencil, write anything. So fifth one, complete the following. A question, if radius is 5 centimeter, what is the diameter? So here given radius, asking diameter. So what is the formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. So here given radius, asking diameter. So diameter equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into radius is 5 centimeter. So 2 5s are 10 centimeter. So diameter equal to 10 centimeter. Next question B. If radius is 12 meter, find the diameter. So diameter. They are asking diameter. So diameter formula. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into radius. What is the radius here given? 12 meter. 12 meter. Now 12 is 2 12s are 24. 24 meter. So here given radius meter. So diameter also meter only. Here for centimeter means diameter also centimeter. So here given radius, find diameter. So diameter formula diameter equal to 3 into radius. Next here given diameter, we find radius. So what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. What is the diameter here? 50 centimeter by 2. Now divide 50 divided by 2. So as you do divide, 2 2s are 4. Minus means we get answer 1. You bring down 0. 5 2s are 10. Minus means we get answer 0. So what is your answer? 25 centimeter. So radius is equal to 25 centimeter. Next question. If diameter is 30 meter, you find the radius. So radius formula radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. So what is the diameter value? 30 meter by 2. Now divide 30 divided by 2. So how many times? 1 2s are 2. Then minus means we get answer 1. Next you bring down 0. Now this number is 10. How many times? 5 times. 5 2s are 10. Now put the minus, we get answer 0. So your answer is 15 meter. So here given meter. So write 15 meter. Radius is equal to 50 meter. Okay. So exercise 12.2 completed. So A, B, C, D. Copy in your class note. This division writing from column side. So next concept symmetry mark. That is we no need for focus standard. We will study symmetry concept. Okay. So exercise 12.2 completed. Chapter 12 also completed. Chapter 12 completed. Copy in your class note. Write